This is CUBOT Note 9, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you need to launch the Google Play Store. Next, at the search bar, type in Opera just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on the green Install button and wait for the Opera to be downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can just go ahead and launch the Opera. In here we, need to undergo a very simple setup procedure. So at the start, tap on this blue Continue button, then decide whether some of the options and features the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip them. I'll enable Ad Blocking, enable Tracker Blocking, and skip Setting Opera as my default browser step. At the final page, you'll be allowed to either customize the permissions, cookies, accesses, and overall, things that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.